Oh shit. Stance up, Shoddy, stance up.
I'm back.
I'm
I just
blocked.
drove down the river.
Yeah, I see that. You're driving in the river right now, dude. Well, I'm gonna need to ride back to the base.
I was not trying to hit you.
What's wrong with you?
I can't carry any more oyster.
Do you see it? Fucking get in the car. Takes 5
Good
seconds.
lord, how many of these camps are gonna run across?
Fuck it. I don't care. I don't care about their stupid stick village, bro.
You just ran over them.
I don't care about their stupid fucking stick village, bro. No time for that. Oh! I wiped out! Okay, well, if you fall from a high place, you won't die. You'll just wipe out. Which is
I
funny
just
as shit.
discovered that.
Yeah, no, jump off the cliff here while like, speeding. Like,
I don't know where the cliff is.
punch it. Just jump, 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 jump.
I'm good.
That
Where the
looks so
fuck did my one wheel go?
It's right here. Shit. Alright.
Aw,
No!
you wedged us.
No, we're missing hard base for the second. This is tragic.
Get in and put it in reverse, Tear.
Fuck!
fuck!
No!
Help me! Help! Help! I was trying to nod as gently as I could, and it's still fucking weakened. What? What? I'm looking outside and everything's just vertical.
This is so stupid. What? What even?
Whoa!
I'm gonna go.
My ears burn.
Oh yeah,
We're fine.
we're fine. Damn it.
Is it Solify or Sophalite? I need to look that up.
I don't know.
Hey, bro, what are you doing on our beach?
Can't be here, sir. Wow, that.
He knocked his legs off. Good lord.
YouTube
Boom.
premiered Skibidi
Boom.
Skirmish, full trailer.
Your stupid stick village. This is what I think. This is what I think of your stupid little stick village.
Dear God. He knocked me out of the car and then got hurt.
Screw you!
Ooh, bad shot. Ooh, good shot.
He's just fucking decimating the village. Hey, this version. Because that would have just killed someone.
Good fucking riddance. I think.
5Z energy drink. Now in 3 new.
Shut up!
Put on some Geometry Dash ass song.
Fucking no. Fuck! No! No! God damn it! I hate this piece of shit. Fuck! Rounds would be fun.
Look at it now.
Yeah, you know
Here we
whatever the
go.
fuck this stupid fucking. Did you hop out?
No?
Oh my god. Almost there. Oh, I can't even back up. Can't even back up without fucking running this thing off. Whatever. I don't care anymore. I don't care. I don't
Man.
care.
If this was real life, we'd both be fucking dead. You just disconnected.
Alright, you know what? Freebird solo, bro.
I'm just staring at you with my binoculars.
Screaming Eagle!
Holy shit! You ran almost right into me.